Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ServiceNow 911. Few days back, we got a P2 incident, and that incident was saying that there are two mission critical CIs which are missing, and we have to use it for certain deployment. That's why the user has created the P2. So it was, it was a very tense moment, and we were start looking what happened to those CIs. Later, we came to know that those CIs were accidentally deleted by ITL user, or you can say service tax user. We contacted him and he mentioned the same. It was an accidentally thing. Okay, so we thought this should not happen again. So the very first thing which we did is to restore the service. It means we have checked those CIs in the deleted records and we found it. We were lucky because that table was auditable. Okay, audited table was there. That's why the deleted record was there. Otherwise, it will be a major blow. Okay. So now let me first of all share my screen. We will try to replicate the issue here. This is my demo instance and here it is. I'm logged in as a system admin. First of all, let me go to CMDB CI. This is my CI table. Okay, if I click here, yes, I'm able to delete, but I'm an admin. So now let me check it with ITL user. So for ITL user, I did something here. I am logged in as an ITL user here in my incognito mode. I basically impersonated to this one. You can also do if you want to have two sessions in the same laptop. Okay. So here I am ITL user. So now if I open the same CMDB CI table here, now let us see whether the user is able to delete or not. Let me open this. Yes, we can see the delete button. This is a big blow. So now let me delete this. Beth IBM. Okay. So we got lucky because this table is audited and we are able to see the records in the deleted records. So we immediately restored it. You see, this is Beth IBM. Okay. So that's why we are able to restore it. But if it is not auditable, in that case, it will be a big blow. So we have to stop this. Okay. So what solution we have implemented? We have created one ACL and allowed only admin and asset people. Only these two roles are allowed to do the deletion. Otherwise, if you are not admin or asset person, you cannot delete the record. So now what I'll do, I'll elevate my role, go to security rules. Here, click on new. Very simple ACL we will add here, and that should remove the delete option. So it's a record. Yes, operation will be delete. Decision type, we want to restrict it. That's why it is deny unless. What deny unless? Unless user has these two roles. So now here find our table. This is our table. Let it be table level or row level because we want to delete work on the row. And at the bottom, we will add the condition via script. So let's activate the advance. And the condition which I want to give is this one. If the user has asset role or the user has admin role, then only do this. Otherwise, no, delete is not allowed. So now let me save it. Okay, just remove admin override as well, because even though we remove it, the admin will be able to delete because we added the condition there. Let's see what happened. So basically what is happening here, stop deletion of configuration item unless you have this role, any of this role. Okay. So now let's discuss. Sorry, let's check it. Right now this is admin. Reload. Open. Even though we have removed admin override, but still you see we are able to delete it. Okay, so just delete it. Now we will go to our impersonated thing. That is ITL user. So this is an ITL user, or you can say this is the operation person. Service text. Reload it. Open one of the CI, or maybe you can check from here. Select. and then see the delete option is disabled now. It means our script is working. This is a non-asset and non-admin role. It's an ITL role. That's why it is not able to delete. As simple as that. So this is one of the simple requirements. So for that, we got a P2. And we have to do some investigation, and finally we are able to restore and provide a permanent fix there. Such type of real-time issues will also come in your day-to-day work. So you have to be very vigilant and you have to take actions accordingly. We got a P2, we resolved it, we restore the service as soon as possible, and now everything is working fine. So this is it for today's video. Do check out the membership. Thank you so much.